Yo, what's up guys? This is video number 2 for today. I just recently installed these in your last video today, and now I'm gonna be addressing an issue that I've had with this car knowingly since I bought it. Now, as you can see here, for my window stripping or whatever you want to call it, it's like not, you know, onto the car anymore, and as you go closer to the top, it starts to chip really bad all along here, all the way down. So today what I'm going to be doing is taking the old one out. Now, by any means, I'm not an expert, I'm not a mechanic, but you know, I did some research online, I saw some videos, and it looks fairly simple. I went online, I searched around, I found some on eBay, and you know, it looks like it's in a pretty good condition. It comes with both sides, the top. It comes with the double-sided, I guess, tape, but like it works like an adhesive that it could stick right back onto the windshield. It looks like a fairly simple process to do. You just gotta. It's just a bit scary because I've never really done this, and if I do this wrong, well, water could seep in, and I'm not really looking for any trouble. But like, I mean, just to show you guys how bad it is, like, I could literally, it breaks in my hand, and you know, obviously it's not very good. Without any more delay, I'm just gonna get into the install. All I need is you, baby, baby. So now I got one of the sides out. I'll show you just how it looks like right now. So this is what it looks like. It looks pretty bared. I mean, there's obviously no weather stripping here, but there's like left some residue from the adhesive from the factory, and a whole bunch of dirt. So I'm just gonna take some Goo Gone and like try to take all that stuff out, so that when we put the new adhesive and the new piece, it sticks on like a charm. We don't have any problems. And just with like a super quick wipe, like, it looks remarkably different. Like, it's literally, it's clean to the touch. Like, my hands are obviously dirty, but like, it's literally perfect for the next step. However, I'm gonna start taking off this piece now, just so I could give you guys like a better angle here. There's this metal piece that clamps onto the actual windshield here, so we gotta like somehow find a way to lift it up with both hands. I have one hand here, but take like a screwdriver or something and just make it help you like lift it upwards and out, so you could just pull everything out. I'll set you guys down and I'll show you. There we go. And then once you have it started, it literally will come out all the way to the other end. And now we have all this adhesive that's still stuck onto the car, and we're gonna take something plastic. This is my plastic tool. I forgot the word for it anyways. Or take like a credit card or whatever and just scrape the top off here. I finished cleaning everything up, I wiped it down with soap and water just to clean it all up. I took out the new one, and here it has like a red adhesive. For the side ones, it's gonna go on the side of the car, but I'm only gonna do that later. Once there's like these clips here that are gonna go inside here, like to hold onto the windshield, if you could picture that. Once it's actually in place, I'm gonna rip it off by these yellow stickers here, and it's gonna rip off all the red adhesive, and then I'm gonna use it to stick onto the actual frame of the car. Alright, so this is what it looks like now. Everything is in place. It's ready for me to pull off the yellow tabs here. But before I go into that, I'm going to explain exactly how I put everything into place. So like I said, in here there were the grooves and they had to match onto the windshield here. So what I did to push them in, and as I used a flathead screwdriver, and I just pushed that way so that they went into the groove. But then on the top, it's a little bit more tricky. I had to use a rubber mallet, and I put like a cloth under it. As I went along, I just hit it along so that it went all the way in, and it worked perfectly. Now all that's left is to remove this tape all along here. Alright, and now I'm gonna put everything exactly where I need it to be. Alright, so there you have it, guys. Another install done. Today was the window trim, well, the windshield weather stripping all along, and it came out really good. I'm really happy with the final product. I was so sick and tired of seeing that chipped plastic all around. It was getting me so nervous, but now it looks really good and I'm really happy. So there you have it, guys. Next video, expect to see a either the diffuser install on my 2011 335i, or I'm gonna do the BMW welcoming lights under the doors. So stay tuned for that, guys. As always, drive what drives you. Peace. Catch you next one.